Are you getting all the orange juice out? Is it sweet? What do you think, Luce?
Talking. Well, I guess they're families. Some people do and some people don't. I didn't peel it all the way.
Okay, you peel it all the way and I'll take a picture of you eating your orange. I'll take a video of you peeling it. Can you do the whole thing? You got a mashed potato tongue, I think. Gross!
Mommy?
Watch this, let me see.
Did you take a video?
Oh, someone's copying Big Sister.
Did you take a video?
Yes.
Can I see?
I'm waiting for you. I want to see you peel your whole orange. Man, I have two cute girls. You guys are so beautiful. You're even beautiful when you do that. Oh, don't spit it out, Luce. Here. Back in the napkin. If you don't like the meat, just eat the potatoes, okay, Luce?
I spit something.
Well, we shouldn't spit, okay? Not at the dinner table. We spit. You know when we spit?
What?
After brushing our teeth. That's when we spit.
Well, we could spit on the ground.
Only if you get something really, really yucky in your mouth, but you try not to spit. You done, Luce?
But this is the